Hey, what's up? So there's a couple of updates here. Unfortunately, I didn't have a video of making the handle, but what I ended up doing was cutting and bending 3/16 steel, welding that to a tube, which you're going to see welded on here. Look at that. Voila. Also, I just kind of wanted to keep the steel look, and since the cart wasn't going to be in the weather, decided to go with just a clear coat on the frame. I used a little acetone to clean the frame prior to applying the clear coat. Mounts on the side later for clamps, but I gotta get home for dinner.